Right now, we are at Chimelong Amusement Park.
Yeah.
Goh, what's so special about this place?
This Ocean Kingdom, right, is one of the China's leading theme park. More importantly, you come here, right, it's really suitable for family and kids because they get to see their favorite characters and animals. And besides that, there's roller coaster, there's free fall, there's tons of things for families to do. Children will love this place. And I would say adults will love this place as well because there's a lot of nice cafe, restaurants, and hotels available. And in fact, we are staying in one of the Chimelong Hotel, which is really amazing, overlooking the beautiful Hengqin Bay,
and
which is the sea. Yeah.
And stay tuned as we will show you some clips of it later.
We just completed our night show in Chimelong.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
Wow, this show is amazing, honestly. It's one of a kind. And I would like to mention two things that is really very, very special to me. Number one is the fireworks. Wow, the amount of fireworks I've seen today is amazing and it's insane.
Yeah.
This is the amount of fireworks that I've never seen in Singapore in just one sitting. And this happens here in Chimelong every single day, every single night.
Yeah, exactly. The flyboard is amazing as well. It's like a water jet.
Yes.
They're able to fly around. Their skillful pyrotechnic is amazing. And they are able to inculcate the fireworks into the flyboard. This is something that is amazing. I was quite scared for these people actually.
Yeah, honestly, I don't know how they do it. And the last thing I would like to mention is the drones. Oh, do you see the drone just now? The light show made out of the drones. It actually shows animals like jellyfish, what else, dolphin.
Your favorite penguin.
And my favorite penguin.
Do not miss this stop. They call Ta Ka Tien. Alright, this is a must come and must visit. And if you ever come to Chimelong, remember to check this night show.
Yeah.
I always say that if you really want to experience the past, you go to Europe, and if you want to experience the future, you come to China.
Correct.
Yeah.
Amazing experience.
Now, sadly, we have to leave.
Back to Singapore.
Why not we
just stay here?
Yeah, we extend our trip here and go and find more content in Shenzhen.
That's the idea.
Let's go.